Now we've actually created the design of our app by adding the canvas and the ball in, we now need to start to code it. Now in this step I'm going to show you how to set it up so that when the ball is flung, it actually heads in a specific direction and at a specific speed, based on the direction the person's flung it in and how hard they flung it with the finger. Okay, we click on the blocks editor button at the top right hand corner here, and that will load up the block editor. Now the first thing we have to do is to tell it that it's got to do something when the ball is flung. Now for this, we click on the ball component here, and you'll see your options appear. Now what you want is the option when ball one dot flung. That's going to tell the program that something's got to happen when a person flings the ball. Now we need to set the speed and the heading for this, okay? So here's what we do. We click on ball one again, and we find set ball one dot heading 2. Click and drag that in and attach it to the previous block. We need to do the same again for the speed. So we click on ball 1 again, find set ball 1 dot speed, click, drag it in and attach it. Now the next bit we have to do is actually to tell it what the heading and the speed is, and for this we're going to use a variable. Now we want to use this option here because that's actually going to get the heading and the speed from where the person's touched it and the direction they've sent it in. So we click this one and add it into there, and we do the same again for speed. Now at the moment these two drop boxes are blank, so we set the first one for heading to get heading, and the second one for speed to get speed. Now what this is going to do is this is telling the app that when the ball's flung, the heading is going to be set to the direction the person sent it in, and the speed is going to be set to how hard the person flung it on the screen. Now that concludes this bit of the tutorial. Follow step 3 to find out how to set the ball so it bounces off the edges.